you all? I am so happy today. Today is my birthday. Right now we are in Zurich. We came before here last December. That time my daughter's birthday was there, who is now taking my video. So and now today is my birthday and we are going to another city of Switzerland, that is Bern, and that is the Swiss capital. Yes, this is the capital city of Switzerland.
Hey everyone, I am Brishti. Welcome back to my channel. The Swiss capital Bern is a charming medieval town with lot of famous landmarks. My guide will help you to discover the best things to do in Bern. So now I am in the Zurich station. From here we will take the train of Bern and we have to go to the platform number 13. Let's go! Staying Zurich and have a plan of a day trip for Bern, let me tell you, it's a 1-hour train journey from Zurich to Bern. If you are planning to come for Swiss trip, you can stay at Bern as a base and you can go other main cities from here, because from Bern all the other cities are well connected by train, or you can rent a car from Bern. When you will arrive into Bern main train station, you can see it's a very modern looking, quite a big underground train station. Tourist information center on the ground floor and you can get Bern city maps from there. If you have come for a day trip, then you can easily drop your luggage into luggage locker box at the station, which is easily accessible. From this small monitor, first select the language, then read the process, put your bags in any locker box, pay and get a ticket on. Your locker number is well mentioned. Don't lose this, otherwise you have to pay extra fine. Many people think Zurich or Geneva is the capital city of Switzerland, but it's not correct. Bern is the capital city of Switzerland, yes, and we are in Bern now. Welcome to Bern. It's a very small city. Neither public transport nor map are needed really. You can just walk through and explore the city. Just walk. People of Bern really love their street fountains. There are hundreds of street fountains in the city of Bern, and this water you can see it's very pure. So you can refill your water bottle from here. Series of fountains dots the old town, with most of them dating from 16th century. The Kaufrichturm is the old tower in Bern. It's a part of UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. You will find this tower at the end of Marktgasse. The original tower was made a gatehouse in 1256. Rathausgasse, the famous covered 6-kilometer main shopping street of Bern. You will find many kind of shops there, from high-end luxury boutiques to street vendors. It is covered, so in any weather you can shop. But Switzerland is one of the most expensive countries in Europe, and you are thinking to shop in the capital of this country. Bodenplatz, Parliament building in Bern. The Federal Palace refers to the building in Bern housing the Swiss Federal Assembly and the Federal Council. total length 300 meters, consisting of Central Assembly buildings and 2 wings housing government department and library. If you walk just behind the Parliament building, you can find the valley just below the old town and the beautiful river Are.
This is Bern Parliament House. Yes, and from this Parliament House you can see the skyline.
The old town of Bern is built along bend on the Are River. It's built up on a peninsula. The town is quite high and has commanding views of the lowland and the river down below.
So we are standing on this bridge. The bridge name is written over here, and from this bridge you can see one side there is a Parliament House and the other side there is a moon star, there is a cathedral, Bern Cathedral. Yes, this is a very beautiful bridge, and this is river, the blue color, turquoise color water. This river is called River Are.
The largest historical museum in Switzerland. And just few more steps is the Zittlauge clock tower.
Right now I am on the street, main street of Bern. This is main shopping street, and this is very famous. And behind me you can see there is a clock. That is astronomical clock. It's very famous and it's a pride of Bern.
Another attraction of Bern is the Einstein Museum, where Einstein lived from 1903 to 1905. If you want to visit inside, you have to pay 13 francs for a family. He shared this modest adobe with his wife and son, and he wrote the theory EMC square here. Cathedral in Old Town of Bern, built in Gothic style, tallest cathedral in Switzerland, 330 feet long. At the entrance you can see the original art which made 15th century and 234 carved statues, and the beautiful work of art which took its artist to complete 20 years. Backside of the cathedral, you can see a beautiful garden where you can sit down and relax, and also you can enjoy the river view.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, yeah.
A very expensive birthday lunch with friends there.
Happy birthday, dear Beast. Happy birthday.
This is River Are, and if you want to find this river, you have to walk the circumference of this beautiful city Bern. This is amazing. Look at this color of this river. Unbelievable, right? And this is pure water. You can drink this water, or you can swim in this water. It is very warm and very subtle. I just love this place.
While going up to reach the station, you can hire a cab or you can go by funicular, by we chose to walk.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder.
That's our end of the day, and we are going back to our Heidelberg city where we live in Germany, and we will go by train, and we will take the train from here to Basel, and from Basel
to Heidelberg. I strongly endorse this city and recommend you to come here. Come and adore this charm of Bern.
Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like my information, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Now this is our end of our trip. Now we are in the tram station of Bern. We are going back to our city, Heidelberg city, and she is my friend. And hi. And your name?
My name is Rebecca.
Yeah, Sulvika stays in Mannheim in Germany and very nearby place from Heidelberg. So Sulvika, how you find this place?
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Very international, I would say.
Yeah. And which place you would like the most in Bern?
I think the walk beside the river.
Yeah.
And then the clock tower area, old Altstadt was fantastic.